Hi, this is Trisha from Nature Lover, and we are at Rideau River Provincial Park, which is right next to a highway that is right beside the park. We are on our last day here. We stayed 2 nights and we're heading to Charleston Lake Provincial Park after this. So we're going to take you on a walking tour of the park and show you what it has to offer. You're also going to see pretty much how small it is. It's a very small park. But for lots of people, I'm sure it has a lot to offer. So let's go for a walk. Good morning. This is the park, people going by. Following them. Lots of electric sites here. I don't know how many there are altogether, but the ground is very sandy. Our trailer is kind of sinking a little bit in the sand. So the first thing we're going to do this morning is hopefully take our garbage to the disposal area. There are several down this main corridor. This is the main road. There's just one road that goes the length of it, and then loops of campsites go off of this road. The road's a little dusty. Could use some brine. This park is definitely walkable. Over there is the dump station. They only have 1 fill and 1 dump, so keep that in mind if you're here on a busy weekend, which we are, so we are keeping it in mind.
Right.
We're just going to walk you down the main street all the way to the beginning of the trail. The trail is linear. There's a path down to the beach, which seems very popular. So I don't know what the beaches are like around here. It's a beach on Rideau River. It's a little marshy. It's a beautiful morning. It got down to like 12 degrees Celsius last night. There's the beach area, day use area, quite a bit of parking, covered pavilion, bathrooms, change rooms, playground, teeter-totters. I think there's isn't there a volleyball court?
Yeah, there's about 2 volleyball courts. 1 here and 1 in the next one.
And what else? Barbecues, did I mention that? Picnic tables? Recycling, shade. Shade's always nice. Not every beach. Water taps. Yeah, so it's a pretty nice day use area. And you can rent canoes. The river is quite wide, so and kayaks, okay. Do they have SUPs?
I don't think so.
Oh. So on the far side of the river is where the motorboats go. So more than half of the river is canoe friendly. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
You really don't even need a bike for this park.
If you have little feet, yes.
Sure, if you have little feet. Which I do actually, so. Farther up this road is the entry area, small park store. So yesterday morning we walked part of the Lakeshore Trail completely unprepared and we got eaten alive. So this morning we put on our bug repellent we put on our longer clothes and we're hoping to be able to enjoy the walk because my neck was covered in insect bites and just burning, and my hands too. They went after my hands as well. Chitra informed me that.
Mostly mosquitoes though. It's not a lot of black flies.
Yeah. So
you can handle it. A little bit of bug juice will be fine.
But I was wearing a darker colored sweater. So Chitra informed me and reminded me that dark colors are very attractive.
Mosquitoes like dark colors. Don't wear dark colors.
Yeah, so
wear light or bright colors.
Light or bright. There you go. Kind of feels like when we were kids playing on the road, remember? You're playing some kind of game on the road and you could hear somebody say, car, truck. And that was your clue to get off the road, pick up your stick or the hockey nets or whatever it is that you had on the road that you were playing with. So there are 2 group camping areas. You can check the maps online to see what they offer and what their minimum numbers are and stuff like that. So they have their own area here.
But they only have bathrooms. The showers are in the other place.
Yes, and they only have vault bathrooms actually. So if you're looking for flush toilets and showers, you'll have to go to the other section. And there's only 2. Or you can roll around on the ground like this. Seems to work for Chloe.
These are like the roll here. There must be nice scratchy grass or something.
Good job. So in the group camping area they have barbecues as well. Again, pit toilets or privies. Garbage, picnic tables. And they have their own swimming area that's, the sand is groomed in the morning and there's the little, what do you call the buoys around? The what?
Demarcated.
It's demarcated. No lifeguards.
A lot of barbecues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 barbecues.
And we actually have seen people up here using them. They're very well maintained barbecues compared to some of the ones that we've seen in parks and stuff.
A lot of candy in it.
Okay, well it's got a candy, but you can see that the grill is adjustable and it's very new. So, and there's a place to put charcoal. I'm not sure how you're supposed to get it there, but there is a place to put charcoal. The river has been very calm. I don't know if that's the norm. Oh, we got some duckies in the water. You can see the beach has been groomed with some kind of machine.
They left the
sandbox.
Sand.
Oh, and some other thing over there they left. Kids must be working on. The trail actually starts further down, but not that much further, so we're not going to start down there. But if you do want to start, there's a parking lot down there. But again, you'll have to walk the length and back, so which would give you what, a 5.4 kilometer walk if you walked there and back. So I'm just going to get an up close of the water just so you can be the judge of what you think about it. I'm not going to say a word. This is the Rideau River. I did not go swimming while I was here. There are cattails along the edge, which is always nice. And the bridge off in the distance is the bridge that goes to Ferguson. Chloe loves to play in the sand, but she's not allowed on the beaches, so.
Okay.
Good job. You can't miss the trail. It's pretty obvious. It's the cut grass part that kind of gives it away. I think, were you being facetious? Poor Chitra and her little head. Oh, there you go. That's a good idea. It's one really good reason to wear either a hoodie or a jacket with a hood or a hat. Because even if they don't bite you, they kind of drive you crazy a little bit, don't they? I'm not sure a lot of people actually hike this trail. I think they just use it as a corridor between the different areas, but we see the word trail and we think hike. So that's what we do. Alright, so we're coming out into the main beach area. We saw that from the road, but this is the up close and personal. And we have a sign here of the Shoreline Trail. So it's an easy walking 2.7 kilometer trail, connects parks, campgrounds, day use areas, beaches and forests. You can see now we started hiking the actual trail at this beach. So we just went from here to here. And we started the video somewhere down here, walked along the road like this, and came down. So next thing you know, we'll be done. Oh, we're missing Chloe in the sand. Missing Chloe in the sand. We missed it, didn't we? Oh. Oh, as soon as her little toes touch sand, she starts running around and being all silly like that. Very nice beach volleyball setup here. Playground equipment, like we pointed out earlier. Those are the bathrooms and change rooms. There is really no dog specified or dog friendly access to water here. So again, the beach, this one's much larger as you can tell. And it is also groomed. And again, I will give you an up close and personal of the water. There's your, see how far the motorboat is? They really don't come much further this way. It's probably either shallow or it's just all the plant life that's out there.
Did you forget your bucket?
I forgot my bucket. There's my bucket. My little mermaid bucket. Oh, he just cut me off.
She's like that.
Shh.
She had some flowers over here she wanted to smell.
Oh, okay, well.
Too busy a spot for them, I guess.
Hey, there's a sup.
Sup.
Sup. See, it's a very calm river to be able to canoe or kayak or sup on. What's sup stand for again?
Stand up paddleboard.
Stand up paddleboard. I just like saying the word sup. There are docks to put your boats in. Over there. This must be the canoe rental area, which, surprisingly enough, we haven't actually come across yet. So here we are. It's a good thing we did this walk, both for this video and for us. You would rent the canoes at the park office. They'll give you your paddles and your life preservers, and obviously a key. The trail goes right behind the campgrounds here.
Nice little seat.
Let's see.
This is a nice little spot.
You like that?
This is very comfortable. Try it.
I think it's probably not comfortable for me. I'm a little shorter than Chitra.
Well,
You're just so tall, man. This will be a perfect walk for Chloe, eh? In terms of, because we're heading out to our next place next, so it's not a long drive, but it's nice to give her some nice exercise so she's well tired and
her nose is happy.
and her nose is happy. Yeah, she's had lots of time to sniff, which is very important for hound dogs, even more so than the walking. She's like, where do I drink here? Ew. There's nowhere. There's duckweed everywhere, Mommy. Oh, she got some duckweed water.
Come on.
How's that taste?
Flavorful.
And chewy. This water is chewy. Oh, did she find something? Something. Oh no, duckweed paws. Duckweed paws. See, she's missing the water, eh? From all the other parks that we've been at.
Come on, go. You can't go in there. It's uppy.
Charleston Lake will have some places for you to go, honey. Lots of places. 75 kilometers of shoreline. Oh, she's so sad. Here's another bathroom. And the rest of the trail goes that way. Do we need to do the rest of the trail?
Go back up to the campsite.
The things that aren't on screen. That's basically the park. So that's the end of your tour for Rideau River Provincial Park. Thanks for joining us. We're Trisha, Chitra, and Chloe from Nature Lover Canada.